The most common foot problem, cracked heels, can range from cosmetic to painful issues. In that case, cracks are usually obvious. The skin is dry and may have a thick callus which appears as a yellow or dark brown discolored area of skin, especially along the inside border of the heel. Apart from the dry, thickened skin, this problem may also be manifested by symptoms like peeling skin, itching, redness, itching, and inflammation. Fortunately, you can prevent cracks from getting deeper and causing pain and bleeding by taking proper precautions on time. Cracked heels can be the result of lack of moisture, dry air, unhealthy diet, improper foot care, wrong shoes, aging, prolonged standing on hard floors, as well as skin disorders like eczema, psoriasis, corns, and calluses, or diabetes and thyroid disease. This video offers you a simple homemade remedy that will provide beneficial effects and will help you in the fight against cracked heels, calluses, and corns. Crush 10 aspirin, acetyl salicylic acid, or acetaminophen tablets to powder and pour 250 milliliters of 70% rubbing alcohol over the mixture. Let the solution stay for a day or two. After that, every night, shake it well and soak a cotton or gauze pad in it. Apply the soaked pad to your heel, wrap it in plastic foil and put a sock on. Leave it overnight. In the morning, rinse your feet with water and towel dry. Then, apply glycerin or some greasy foot cream. For better results, you can exfoliate your heels with a foot scrubber before applying the foot cream. The cracked and callous skin on your feet will disappear after only 10 treatments. This miraculous remedy is also very effective in cases of varicose veins, whereby the pain lessens after its application.